We are Carl and Nhi, a filmmaker and a creator. Together, we are a new duo, but with years of storytelling experience. From feature documentaries to cinematic travel films, our work captures moments that feel honest, timeless, and alive.
Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
Together, we capture the beauty of travel, the spirit of destinations, and the experiences that make them unforgettable. We create content for hotels, resorts, and destinations across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Cinematic, travel, storytelling experiences. Not just influencers with a phone, storytellers with a vision. Let us help you bring your story to life.